morning, students. Last class we are discussing about type number 5, that is derivative of parametric function. That type is over. Then one more type, that is type number 6, that is known as second order derivatives. Now define second order derivatives. Already you know that how to solve first order derivative. No. Same concept here. Once again you have to differentiate. Two times differentiation, that is known as second order derivatives. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್. Now the definition is, look here. Let y is a function of x. Y is a function of x, that is mathematically we write y is equal to f of x. As you know that there are four different types of functions, namely algebraic function, logarithmic function, trigonometric function, exponential function. Out of four they will be given any one. In general say y is equal to f of x be a function. Then its derivative with respect to x. ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Its derivative with respect to x is denoted by, if y is a function of x, then its derivative with respect to x is denoted by what? dy by dx. Its derivative with respect to x is denoted by dy by dx. That is equal to, another notation is f dash x. This is one time differentiation. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is known as dy by dx, that is known as first order. So this is first order. Now suppose if dy by dx is a function of x, dy by dx is a function of x, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dy by dx call it as capital Y. ಇದು capital Y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Again, if capital Y is a function of x, here I will repeat once again. If y is a function of x, mathematically y is equal to f of x. Then its derivative with respect to x is denoted by d by dx of y, that is dy by dx. Put dy by dx equal to capital Y. This is capital Y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Capital Y is a function of x. Capital Y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? dy by dx is a function of x. Then its derivative with respect to x, with respect to x is denoted by, here have same type, is denoted by d by dx of capital Y, but capital Y value dy by dx, that is equal to, how to write, d into d square y by dx square. Don't multiply both the term. D into d square, not d square x square. Here numerator is d square y by denoted by dx square. Now remember, you put dy by dx is equal to capital Y. If capital Y is a function of x, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು capital Y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ capital Y is a function of x. Its derivative with respect to x is denoted by d by dx of capital Y. Capital Y value dy by dx. After simplification, d into d square y by dx square. Don't write d square x square. D square x square is not notation. The notation is dx square. What it means? Your meaning, I will think on. Okay. So this is second order. Again, put d square y by dx square. Call it as capital Y. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು capital Y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, again if capital Y is a function of x, here if capital Y means if d square y by dx square is a function of x, then its derivative with respect to x is denoted by what? Is denoted by d by dx of capital Y. But capital Y value is d square y by dx square. Further simplification, d into d square, d cube y by dx cube, not d square x cube, right? dx cube. Again put dqy by dx cube is equal to capital Y. If capital Y is a function of x, once again its derivative with respect to x is denoted by d by dx of capital Y. Capital Y value dqy by dx power 3, that is equal to d power 4y by dx power 4 and so on. Therefore dy by dx is called first order derivative of y. First order derivative of y with respect to 1 time x. With respect to x. Whereas d2y by dx square is called second order derivative of y with respect to how many times x? With respect to 2 times x. Now remember, d square y by dx square means second order derivative of the function y with respect to 2 times x. With respect to x. Again with respect to x. That is known as second order. Whereas d cube y by dx power 3 is called what? Third order derivative of y with respect to x, and so on. D power ny by dx power n is called nth order derivative of y. Nth order derivative of y with respect to how many times x? With respect to n times x. Okay, therefore remember dy by dx is called first order. 1 time differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is known as first order. ಅದೇ differentiation value ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is known as second order, denoted by d square y by dx square, not d square y by d square x square. Read it as d square y by dx square. It means the meaning second order derivative of the function y with respect to how many times x? 2 times x, denoted by like this, d square y by dx square, and so on. In general, d power ny by dx power n is called nth order derivative of y with respect to x. But ನಿಮಗೆ ಇರೋದು only up to second order. ನೀವು PUC 2 ಇದ್ರಿ 2 times ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಈಗೇನು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೋದಾಗ, ನೀವು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಹೋದಾಗ n ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ದಲ್ಲೇ 4 ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸೆಮ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, M1 M2 M3 M4 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು n ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. now which is discovered by name of scientist Laplace theorem. ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ nth ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಡೆರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ. ಯಾಕೆ ಡೆರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೈಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ PUC 2 ಲೆವೆಲ್ only we have to differentiate 2 times. Okay, so dy by dx is called first order. Once again differentiate d square y by dx square is called second order. ಏನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದವಲ್ಲ ಅವೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ 1 ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Once again differentiate, that is known as second order derivative of y with respect to 2 times x. Therefore remember, hence dy by dx, d2y by dx square, d3y by dx power 3 and so on, d power ny by dx power n up to n times differentiation, that is known as up to n times differentiation, that is known as successive derivatives. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ n ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸಿವ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ PU2 ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಗೆ n ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವರೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ವರೆಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಅಪ್ ಟು n ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸಿವ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅಪ್ ಟು n ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸಿವ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್. Other notations are, other symbols, other notations are dy by dx. Another notation is f dash x. F dash x into one day, dy by dx into one day. Remember, d2y by dx square notation is f double dash x. F double dash x is same as d square y by dx square. Find f double dash x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that is nothing but to find d2y by dx square. Then f triple dash x, that is same as third order derivative of y with respect to 3 times x, that is dqy by dx power 3, and so on, nth derivative of x. Or another notation, y1 is nothing but dy by dx, that is same as f dash x, all terms are same. y2 is nothing but d2y by dx square. Then y3 is nothing but d3y by dx power 3, and so on, yn. Or another notation, y dash is same as dy by dx. Then propagate one notation, so but dy by dx ಬಂದಲ್ಲ, dy by dx ಕೊಟ್ಟಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, y dash ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. Find y dash ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೆನಪಾಗೋಕೇನು, y dash is nothing but dy by dx. Find y1, that is nothing but to find dy by dx. Find f dash x, that is nothing but to find dy by dx. Y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, and so on, nth derivative of x. These are the other notations. Then quickly, dy by dx, it is first order, d2y by dx square second order. Two times differentiate ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ, that is known as second order. Remaining orders ನಮಗೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ up to second order. Other notations for dy by dx, d2y by dx square, d3y by dx power 3, and so on. Other notations are f dash x. Find f dash x, that is nothing but to find dy by dx. Find f double dash x, that is nothing but to find d2y by dx square. Find f triple dash x, that is nothing but to find d3y by dx power 3. Other notation, f dash x ಬದಲಿ y1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. y1 is nothing but dy by dx. y2 is nothing but d2y by dx square. Very notations. y3 is same as d3y by dx cube. Or y dash is same as dy by dx. y double dash d2y by dx square. Then ಕೊಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಇದರ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ f of x. ಈಗ ಈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ f of x ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ f of x ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ f of x? f dash x. Derivative of f dash x, f double dash x. Derivative of f double dash x, f triple dash x. ಈ notation ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, if you take this notation, ಈ notation ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳೋಣ ಇದು. So derivative of y with respect to x, y1. Derivative of y1 with respect to x, y2. Derivative of y2 with respect to x, y3. If you take this notation, derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx. Another notation is y dash. Derivative of y dash, y double dash. Derivative of y double dash, y triple dash. ಈ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಇವನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಈ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ f of x ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ f dash x. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ y dash. ಈ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ y dash. Derivative of y dash, y double dash. Derivative of y double dash, y triple dash. Take this notation, derivative of y is y1. Derivative of y1, y2. Derivative of y2, y3. Continuation. Okay, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ derivative of y1 ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? Derivative of y1, that is d by dx of y1 is same as what? dy by dx ತಾನೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ? So that is equal to dy by dx of dy by dx is d2y by dx square. d2y by dx square and the notation is y2. So that derivative of y1 is y2. ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ derivative of y2 is y3. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ನೋಟೇಷನ್. ಈ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ y1. ಇದೇ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್? ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ನೋಟೇಷನ್, ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್? 2y into dy by dx ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2y into dy by dx ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಏನು? y1. So that derivative of y square is 2y into y1. ಈ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ take this notation, derivative of y square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2y into y dash. Derivative of y dash square, same type, derivative of y dash square, 2y dash into y double dash. Derivative of y double dash square, 2y double dash into y triple dash. You take this one, derivative of y1 square. y1 square derivative ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? 2y1 into dy by dx ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? So that is 2y1 into dy by dx of y. y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ y1. That is 2y1 into dy by dx of y1 is y2. So continuation, derivative of y1 square 2y1 into y. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ derivative of y square ಏನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು derivative of y square ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ 2y into dy by dx ಹೌದಾ because with respect to different variable into dy by dx ಹೌದಾ ಈಗ y1 square ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2y1 into dy by dx dy1 by dx means dy1 by dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ d by dx of y1 d by dx of y1 ಯಾವುದು y2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದು 2y1 into continue y2 derivative of y dash square ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2y dash into y double dash ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಗ derivative of f dash x whole square 2f dash x into f double dash x derivative of f double dash x whole square 2f double dash x into f double dash x take this one derivative of y1 square 2y1 into y2 derivative of y2 square 2y2 into y3 ಓಕೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ನೆನಪಿರಬೇಕು y1 ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾರು ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ y1 is nothing but dy by dx f dash x is nothing but dy by dx y dash is nothing but dy by dx y double dash is same as d square y by dx square y2 is same as d2y by dx square f double dash x is same as d2y by dx all are same other notations okay so other notations for successful derivatives are f dash x f double dash x f double dash x and so on nth derivative of x or another notation y1 y2 y3 and so on yn y1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು dy by dx y2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು d2y by dx square ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ symbols d2y by dx square ಬದಲು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಏನು y2 ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ y dash is same as dy by dx y double dash is same as d2y by dx square y double dash x is same as d3y by dx power 3 and so on these are the other notations very simple ಏನು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is known as second order derivatives okay so remember if y is a function of x its derivative with respect to x is denoted by dy by dx ಹೌದಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ ಅವು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಗೇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ y is a function of x again its derivative with respect to x is denoted by d by dx of capital Y what is capital Y value dy by dx simplify d square y by dx square ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ Y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ again if capital Y is a function of x its derivative with respect to x is denoted by d by dx of capital Y value d square y by dx square that is equal to dqy by dx power 3 and so on therefore dy by dx is called first order derivative of y with respect to x d square y by dx square is called second order derivative of y with respect to how many times x 2 times x with respect to x again with respect to x dqy by dx power 3 is called third order derivative of y with respect to 3 times x in general d power n y by dx power n that is known as nth order derivative of y with respect to x but in q2 level only you have to differentiate 2 times remaining ಏನಿದಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು yes so based on second order derivatives to solve some simple problems now here the question find the second order derivative of the following functions second order means we have to calculate 2 times differentiate now look here so first problem take y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Now to find second order denoted by d square y by dx square. Now first to find first order dy by dx. Before solving the problem, you must remember basic formula. ಇವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಇವು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now first to find first order dy by dx derivative of x square that is 2x because you know that derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1 n value is 2 put n is 2 into x power 2 minus 1 that is 2 into x power 1 2 into x power 1 is nothing but 2x okay plus derivative of 3x 3 constant derivative of x with respect to x value 1 plus derivative of 2 constant value 0 that is 2x plus 3. This is first order. Once again differentiate. Derivative of dy by dx denoted by d square y by dx square. Derivative of 2x, 2 constant. Derivative of x with respect to x1 plus derivative of 3 constant 0, that is equal to 2. This is second order. Okay. Whereas second problem, take y is equal to x cube into log x. Now first to find first order, dy by dx is equal to, observe here, there are two functions, product of two functions, apply product rule, u into v rule. This is first function, that is second function. What is the rule? First function as it is into derivative of second function, derivative of log x. Remember that formula. What is derivative of log x is 1 by x plus second function as it is log x into derivative of first function, derivative of x cube. It is in the form x power n. That is derivative of x cube is 3x power 2. Now here 1x cancel. That is x square plus 3x square into log x. This is first order. One time differentiate. Once again differentiate. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. Because to find second order, so that once again differentiate both sides with respect to x. What is derivative of dy by dx? d2y by dx square is equal to derivative of x square, you know, 2x plus, will observe ಮಾಡಿ, again there are two functions, product of two functions, first function 3x square, second function log x. Apply u into v rule, product rule. First function as it is 3x square into derivative of second function. Second function is log x. What is derivative of log x? You know the formula. That is 1 by x plus second function as it is log x into derivative of first function, derivative of 3x square. X all ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, multiply those two. 3 into 2, 6x. The power to the one less ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. That is 6x. That is equal to 2x plus 1x cancel, 3x plus 6x into log x. 2x plus 3x, 5x plus 6x into log x. This is the second order derivative. Okay. Whereas third problem, take y is equal to tan inverse of x. Now first to find first order, dy by dx. You know the formula, standard formula. What is derivative of tan inverse x? Remember, what is that? 1 by 1 plus x square. This is first order. Once again differentiate. d2y by dx square. ಹೇಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. Put that 1 plus x square, call it as capital X. ಇದು capital X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 1 by capital X. Derivative of 1 by capital X. Derivative of 1 by capital X, you know the formula. Minus 1 by capital X square. Minus 1 by capital X square into another friend. ಯಾರು? 1 plus x square. Derivative of 1 constant 0. Derivative of x square is 2x. That is the answer. Okay. Whereas fourth problem, take y is equal to e power 6x into cos 3x. Find the second order. First to find first order. Now dy by dx. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, here again there are two terms, product of two terms. Apply which rule? Product rule. The rule says first function as it is into derivative of second function. Second function is cos 3x. There are two friends. First friend cos, second friend 3x. First you have to differentiate first friend. What is derivative of cos? Minus sin 3x into derivative of 3x is 3 plus second function as it is cos 3x into derivative of first function. Again two friends. First friend e, second friend 6x. Derivative of e power 6x. E power 6x as it is into derivative of 6x is 6. Now among those two, take e power 6x common. Remaining value minus 3 sin 3x plus 6 cos 3x. This is first order. ಹೌದಾ? Once again differentiate. Now once again differentiate. d2y by dx square is equal to, again here product of two functions. First function e power 6x, second function is minus 3 sin 3x plus 6 cos 3x. Now apply product rule. First function as it is, e power 6x into derivative of second function, minus 3 constant as it is, into function, derivative of sin cos 3x into derivative of 3x is 3, plus 6 constant as it is, derivative of cos minus sin 3x into another friend, derivative of 3x is 3. Now first function into derivative of second function plus second function as it is, minus 3 sin 3x plus 6 cos 3x into derivative of first function e power 6x into derivative of 6x is 6. Now simplify again from these two, e power 6x common, remaining value minus 3 into 3 9 cos 3x plus into minus 6 into 3 18 sin 3x, then plus into minus 6 into minus 3 minus 18 sin 3x, correct? Then 6 into 6 36 cos 3x e power 6x common, that is equal to e power 6x into bracket rearrange minus 9 cos 3x plus 36 cos 3x, that is 27 cos 3x, correct? Minus 18 sin 3x minus 18 sin 3x, that is minus 36 sin 3x, that's it. Okay. Fifth one, take y is equal to sine of log x. Find second order derivative. We have to differentiate two times. Now here there are two friends. First to find first order, dy by dx is equal to first friend sine, second friend log x. First differentiate first friend. What is derivative of sine? Cos. Second friend as it is, into derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now that is dy by dx is equal to cos of log x into 1 by x. Okay. Now once again differentiate. d2y by dx square is equal to, here product of two functions. This is first function, that is second function. Apply u into v form. Now what is the rule? First function as it is, cos of log x into derivative of second function. What is derivative of 1 by x? You know the formula. Remember, that is minus 1 by x square plus second function as it is 1 by x as it is into derivative of first function. In first function, two friends. First friend cos, second friend log x. Differentiation of first friend means differentiation of cos. So minus sine of second friend as it is log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now rearrange, that is minus 1 by x square into cos of log x, right? Plus into minus 1 by x into x, 1 by x square sine of log x. From these two, take minus 1 by x square common, cos of log x plus sine of log x. That is the second order derivative. Okay. Whereas sixth problem, anyway, take y is equal to e power x into sine 5x. Find the second order. First to find first order, dy by dx. Observe it, there are two functions, product of two functions. Apply product rule, u into v rule. The rule says first function as it is e power x into derivative of second function. Derivative of sine 5x is cos 5x into another friend is derivative of 5x is 5 plus second function as it is sin 5x into derivative of first function, derivative of e power x with respect to x value, e power x. Now from these two, take dy, that is e power x common, dy by dx is equal to e power x common, remaining value 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. This is first order. Once again differentiate d2y by dx square is equal to, again here product of two functions, u into v rule, apply product rule. The rule says first function as it is into derivative of second function value 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. Now 5 constant into function, there are two friends, first differentiate cos. What is derivative of cos? Minus sin 5x as it is into another friend, derivative of 5x is 5 plus derivative of sin cos 5x into another friend is 5x, derivative of 5x is 5. So first function as it is into derivative of second function plus second function as it is 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x into derivative of first function, derivative of e power x is e power x. Now therefore d2y by dx square is equal to, among those two, e power x common, remaining value minus 5 into 5 25 sin 5x plus 5 cos 5x plus 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. Correct? Huh? That is d2y by dx square is equal to e power x into, rearrange, minus 25 sin 5x plus 1 sin 5x, that is minus 24 sin 5x plus 5 cos 5x plus 5 cos 5x, 10 cos 5x. That's it. Okay. Now, second problem. Take y is equal to x into cos x. Find second order. First to find first order, dy by dx is equal to. Observe, Mary, there are two functions. Apply which rule? Product rule. First function as it is into derivative of second function. Derivative of second function is cos x. What is derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. Plus second function as it is cos x into derivative of first function with respect to x, that is 1. So that is minus x sin x plus cos x. This is first order. Once again differentiate d2y by dx square is equal to minus into bracket, again here first term product of two functions, apply product rule. First function as it is x into derivative of second function, derivative of sin x is cos x plus second function as it is sin x into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus derivative of cos x second term, that is minus sin x. Now simplify, minus x cos x minus into plus minus sin x plus into minus sin x, that is minus x cos x minus 1 sin x minus 1 sin x minus 2 sin x. Okay? Whereas eighth problem, take y is equal to log x. Find second order. First to find first order, dy by dx is equal to. Now observe it, two friends, first friend log, second friend log x, differentiate one by one friend, differentiate one by one term. What is derivative of log? 1 by second friend as it is, means log x, into another friend is derivative of log x is 1 by x. Okay, now that is equal to, this is right as it is. Once again differentiate d2y by dx square is equal to, again apply product of two functions. This is first function, that is second function, u into v rule. The rule says first function as it is 1 by log x into derivative of second function, derivative of 1 by x, you know the formula, minus 1 by x square, correct? Plus second function as it is into derivative of first function. First function is 1 by log x. Now make it as standard form. Put log x is equal to capital X. This capital X and told. Again I do 1 by x side. What is derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by capital X square. Capital X value log x to the power of 2 into another friend is log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. that is minus 1 by x square log x plus into minus minus 1 into 1 into 1 by x into x square log x to the power of, take minus 1 by x square common, remaining value 1 by log x plus 1 by log x to the power of, okay. Whereas ninth question, take y is equal to log x, find second order. Now first to find first order, dy by dx is equal to, what is derivative of log x? You know the formula, that is derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now once again differentiate, derivative of dy by dx is d2y by dx square is equal to, what is derivative of 1 by x? You know the formula, that is minus 1 by x square. Okay. Then 10th problem. What is that? Take y is equal to x cube plus tan x. Now try yourself. This is homework problem. Y is equal to x cube plus tan x. Try yourself. Okay.